Hi, I'm Naomi, and I wanted to share my review of the 8-day retreat with Fern in Costa Rica. And I wanted to just come on here and share a little bit about why I went, the experience that I had, and then kind of what I'm taking home with me. So why did I choose to go on this retreat? Well, I looked at a lot of retreats. On bookretreats.com, there's a ton, and I was looking at Bali and Thailand and all these different places, but I kept coming back to this one. This last year has been the hardest year of my entire life, and I needed something to just help me slow down, build a deeper relationship with myself, find that trust in me, find that safety, and this was exactly what I needed. This was something that I know will sit with me for the rest of my life. I wanted something that would have movement with yoga and the meditation, and I wanted a beach and jungle and just not over regimented. Some of the retreats, you start at 6:30 and you've got 30 people and you've got 5 things that you're doing before lunch. And I didn't want that this time. I wanted something that can help me slow down, hoping that there would be other women there. This is a retreat this is something you can do individually or something that you can do with others. And fortunately for me, there were others there at the same time that I went. And these ladies will be friends for life for sure. And I also made other friends while I was there, which was absolutely phenomenal and amazing and something that was unexpected. I think for my experience, basically from the moment even before I booked the retreat, I was communicating with Fern just to get to know a little bit more about her, a little bit about the retreat, what the experience would be. And she just held my hand through that whole process, from booking to looking at flights and everything that I needed, to the shuttle with Fernan. He was amazing. And then to getting there and just making sure, my food, I can't have gluten and dairy, and the ladies there that were making breakfast, they took good care of me. Fern had them take great care of me. And then in the evenings, Kirsten with he was the chef that did our vegan meals. And I have never had pizza that is like a gluten-free, dairy-free vegan pizza that has the thickest, fluffiest crust that was just chef's kiss. It was amazing. The food was amazing. I felt so taken care of. And then every other experience that was there, even just the jungle and the wildlife and the monkeys and the sounds, and it was magical. And the experiences from yoga with all the different yoga instructors, and the meditation and the sound healing journeys and the cacao ceremony, and just feeling so seen and so safe, to Brita and the massage. I've never had that was the most amazing massage. And Kelowna with the rise and release session that we did as a group, and just what an honor it is to witness others' journey and their healing journey, and to be there and to have them witness mine. And then the energy healing session that I did with Tara at the end was it was icing on the cake, and it was the profound shift that I was looking for. And I'm leaving with that deepened relationship with myself. I'm leaving with having done some inner child work and finding joy in those moments, even in the discomfort, and finding that safety and trust within myself. Like, those are things that I was hoping to build, continue to build, and that's what I did. And I give the kudos to Fern for that, for creating this experience that allowed me to do that. So Fern, so much gratitude to this experience. It's definitely something I will remember for the rest of my life, and it's something that I will recommend to anybody and everybody that will listen to me. So 5 stars all the way.